Finding the right electric scooter can make commuting, travel, and daily rides more enjoyable and efficient. In this guide to the best scooter for adults, we compare top-performing models that offer excellent speed, range, comfort, and value. Whether you need a reliable commuter scooter or a powerful long-range ride, these options are worth considering. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. The Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter is a dependable option for riders who need a balance of power, comfort, and convenience for everyday commuting. Equipped with a 500-watt brushless hub motor, it delivers speeds of up to 19 miles per hour while maintaining smooth and consistent performance on city streets. The 36-volt 11.6 amp-hour battery offers an impressive travel range of up to 26.6 miles under suitable riding conditions, making it practical for daily transportation and recreational use. One of its standout features is the combination of 10-inch solid tires and dual rear shock absorbers, which help reduce vibration and improve ride comfort on uneven roads and speed bumps. Safety is enhanced by bright headlights and a dual braking system that combines disc brakes with regenerative anti-lock braking technology. The folding design makes storage and transport easy, while app connectivity allows riders to customize settings and secure the scooter. Overall, it is a well-rounded commuter scooter with reliable performance and useful modern features. Number 2. Gotrax Electric Scooter. The Gotrax electric scooter is designed for riders seeking an affordable and practical solution for short-distance travel. Powered by a 250-watt motor, it provides enough performance for daily commuting, neighborhood rides, and campus transportation. Its 36-volt 5.2 Ah battery delivers a range of approximately 9 to 12 miles per charge, helping reduce the need for frequent charging during regular use. The front pneumatic tire helps absorb bumps and road imperfections, creating a smoother ride, while the solid rear tire eliminates concerns about flats and maintenance. Weighing only 33 pounds, this scooter is easy to carry and store, making it ideal for commuters who frequently combine riding with public transportation. The battery management system contributes to reliable performance and safe charging, while the compact folding frame adds convenience for everyday use. For riders looking for a lightweight electric scooter with simple operation and dependable functionality, the Gotrax offers excellent value. Number 3. CUNFON Electric Scooter. The CUNFON electric scooter is built for riders who demand high performance, strong acceleration, and the ability to tackle challenging terrain. Featuring an impressive maximum power output of 3,200 watts, this scooter delivers rapid acceleration and can reach speeds up to 31 miles per hour while handling steep inclines with confidence. Its battery system provides a range of up to 43.5 miles under favorable conditions, making it suitable for long-distance rides and extended outdoor adventures. The 10.5-inch self-sealing off-road tires include puncture-resistant technology that improves durability and reduces maintenance concerns. Comfort is enhanced through an advanced air hydraulic suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively on rough surfaces. Safety is supported by a dual braking setup with front and rear disc brakes combined with electronic braking assistance for responsive stopping power. With a high load capacity, UL 2272 certification, and strong warranty support, the CUNFON is a capable choice for serious riders seeking premium performance. Number 4. OOTD D10 Electric Scooter. The OOTD D10 electric scooter is a feature-packed model designed specifically for adult riders who want extended range and dependable performance. Powered by a 900-watt brushless motor, it provides smooth acceleration and enough torque to climb hills up to 35 degrees with ease. Its 48-volt 18 amp-hour battery delivers a claimed range of up to 46 miles per charge, making it an attractive option for longer commutes and weekend rides. The scooter rides on large 11-inch semi-off-road tires paired with dual shock absorbers, offering stability and comfort across different surfaces. Safety features include dual disc brakes, bright dual LED headlights, and a rear lighting system with integrated brake and turn signals for increased visibility. Riders can choose from 3 speed modes depending on their preferences and riding conditions. Number 5. Maxshot Electric Scooter. The Maxshot electric scooter combines strong performance, rider comfort, and modern technology in a portable design suitable for everyday transportation. Its 500-watt brushless motor allows speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, providing enough power for commuting and recreational rides. The 42-volt, 10.5 amp-hour battery delivers a maximum range of around 22 miles under suitable conditions, reducing the need for frequent recharging. Comfort is enhanced by the combination of 10-inch honeycomb tires and a suspension system that helps smooth out rough roads without requiring tire maintenance. Riders can monitor speed, battery status, and riding modes through the integrated LED display, while smartphone connectivity adds convenient features such as locking, unlocking, and cruise control management. Safety remains a priority thanks to UL 2272 certification, dual braking systems, bright headlights, and a brake tail light for improved visibility. Lightweight and foldable, the Maxshot is a practical choice for daily commuting. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.